Hi everyone, it's Uzo again from Uzo's Food Labs and welcome. I'm going to be showing you a kitchen tip or a kitchen hack, and it's one that's very simple, and as usual it only requires one or two things. In this case, a chopping board and rubber bands. All right, now one of the big problems if you are, well, we don't like to call them problems, but one of the most annoying things that can happen to you when you're in the kitchen dealing with chopping boards, especially if you have like a wet surface, is the chopping board moving around all the way. And that can actually be dangerous if you're wielding a knife. So one tip is to keep your chopping board secure using rubber bands. There is friction with the rubber bands, and so on your kitchen counters, if you just slide two rubber bands on each edge of your chopping board, it keeps it secure. It's not going to move around even if it's wet. Thank me later. Very simple tip, but if you want more tips like these, and if you want pocket-friendly recipes that are tasty and easy to put together, as well as some garden hacks, you need to subscribe to the channel at Uzo's Food Labs. Social media handles are Uzo's Food Labs as well. And then I'd really love to hear from you, so leave your comments down below and let me know if you have any questions or challenges that deal with food or the garden or home, and we'll do our best to answer them. So until the next time I come your way again, buy a bag full of rubber bands for this tip and for other things that you need them for at home. Have a great day.